Here's just a quick view of our garden out back behind our house. We've got our Meyer lemon tree, and let me just show you what's going on with this. We have had this in. We had so many lemons on it, we didn't know what to do. But now we're heading toward the winter months, and I think it might be a seasonal thing, but there's more blossoms, which tells me there's more lemons coming. So it's almost like this tree has just got this beautiful outcropping here of growth. And we've still got some lemons left on there, as you can see. For a long time, this tree was just covered with so many lemons it was actually bowing down to the ground. This here is one of our Fiesta. Actually, it's not a Fiesta. This is one of our hibiscus plants. I'm trying to think of which one this is called, but these hibiscus they've got these beautiful flowers in them. And my understanding is you can make tea out of the leaves of the hibiscus, and that these are actually edible, the flowers as well. So got some growth there. I'm just going to pull off some old buds. We've had some cold temperatures, and this plant seems to be pretty hardy. So it's doing all right. It's holding its own. You can see we've got a bunch of buds on there that are unopened, but when they do open up, and we've been trying here in Vero to grow papaya, and we're not having much success with it. I know I'd seen before what appeared to be a blossom, but I don't know if this is going to be fruit or just more leaves, which we've seen a lot of growing in here. So I'm hoping we get some blossoms and some pollination of this plant that will start producing for us some fruit. So that would be first on the papaya side. Something that would be much welcomed here. So winds are picking up. We'll end this for now. So what we're doing today, we've been removing pepper trees and sea grapes. We're making way for the bamboo. So we're setting up some clumping bamboo. It's a sea breeze variety, and that's going to create a wind barrier here in a microclimate. So we will probably be working in the coming weeks of getting a lot of these trees removed and getting a lot of those bamboos in and established so things can grow. The pepper tree is something that's very, it's invasive here in Florida, so we're trying our best to pull everything out by the roots, get everything, and as seeds come up, we're just going to yank them up. Here in the wood chips, it's much easier because it's growing into a loose compost underneath, so weeding is very easy for these trees trying to get established. So I suspect that'll be some work for a little while, but eventually that will be gone, and we'll have a bamboo barrier up here. So that's toward the establishment of the microclimate, as I've mentioned earlier. So we'll see how it works out. Subscribe to our channel. If you'd like to donate to this Eden project, we put a link for PayPal below. Just visit our website, ax2school.com. There's a donate on the website, or you can donate in the description. Put a link there. Thank you so much. God bless you. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.